Like this video and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to draw a special painting of Radhakrishna Ji on the occasion of Holi. So I have already made the sketch using grid method. I hope you can see it. So in this video we are going to do its coloring portion. So first I am going to show you the sketch completely, fully, and then the reference image. So I will be completing this drawing using watercolor and color pencils. So now let's begin. Was for today. So in this video I have colored the whole part of Krishna Ji. Now in the next part we will also color Radha Ji. So if you like this drawing till here, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye.